Are Trane heat pumps any good?
Trane does have the reputation of being good.
Goodman's name suggests it is good, but it is a cruel oxymoron.
Trane heat pumps are generally pretty good. They have some of the most efficient heat pumps on the market.
Their 19 SEER heat pumps are 9K to 16K, depending on the unit size and installation costs. I want to know I'm getting something good before I spend as much money on the heat pump as a small car.
The price is going to go up with the SEER rating as well as the tonnage. 16K for a 5-ton 19 SEER is market rate.
Coleman is way cheaper.
Coleman doesn't have the same efficiency, unless they're counting the long days the unit doesn't work while waiting for service to show up. And the regular service calls add up to the unit's purchase price within 2 or 3 years.
Is Trane reliable?
Not only are Trane heat pumps reliable, they actually have decent service people too. They won't replace 3 parts trying to figure out what went wrong.
How is the warranty?
Trane's warranty is pretty average, 5 to 10 years depending on the model you buy. Fortunately, you rarely have to use it.
I've heard Lennox has a decent warranty.
Good luck getting them to honor it. It takes so long to schedule warranty work that your warranty might expire before the tech shows up.
So I hire a local repair person.
And then Lennox does not honor the warranty.
And Trane does.
Yes. And unlike York, there are authorized Trane repair people pretty much everywhere.
It sounds like I ought to go with Trane, except for the price. Should I go with American Standard, since that's made by Trane?
No. Spend the extra $1,000 for Trane's quality, because American Standard is the label they put on all the units that barely work.